Here are some fascinating facts about Orange-Crowned Warbler. Species diversity. There are 4 recognized subspecies of the Orange-Crowned Warbler, each varying slightly in coloration and range. Not so orange, despite the name, the orange crown on this bird is often hard to see and is mostly visible during displays or when the feathers are raised. Habitat flexibility. They inhabit a wide range of environments, from dense forests to shrubby thickets and even open grasslands. Migrant range. They are migratory birds, breeding in North America and wintering as far south as Central America. Tiny but mighty, these warblers are small, weighing only about 9 to 10 grams (0.3 ounces). Color variation. The color of an orange-crowned warbler varies by region, with some individuals appearing more yellow or olive than others. Nesting sites. They usually build nests on the ground or in low shrubs, camouflaging their nests with surrounding vegetation. Diet. They primarily eat insects but will also consume berries and nectar, especially during migration. Song variability. Males sing a trilling song that can vary in pitch and length to attract mates and mark territory. Camouflage. Their olive yellowish plumage provides excellent camouflage against leaves and vegetation. Adaptable diet. In addition to insects, they eat spiders, caterpillars, and small invertebrates. Short-lived. They typically live only 4 to 5 years in the wild, though some can live longer with ideal conditions. Population status. Orange-crowned warblers are considered of low conservation concern due to their large range and stable population. Migration distance. They migrate around 2,000 miles from North America to Central America each year. Aggressive defenders. Males are highly territorial and can be aggressive towards intruders during the breeding season. Partial molt. They undergo a partial molt after breeding, replacing some feathers before migration. Winter survival. In winter, they can often be seen feeding in mixed species flocks. Nesting in pairs. Both male and female participate in nesting duties, though the female does most of the incubation. Insect control. By eating insects, they help control pest populations in their ecosystems. Predators. Their primary predators are birds of prey, snakes, and some small mammals. Parental care. Both parents feed and care for the young, which are ready to fledge in about 10 days. Solitary migrants. Unlike some songbirds, they tend to migrate alone rather than in large flocks. Uncommon warbler. They are among the few warblers that show minimal sexual dimorphism. Males and females look similar. Scientific name. Its scientific name is Liathlypicellida. Camouflage nesting. They build well-hidden nests in dense foliage to protect from predators. Quick learners. They quickly learn to recognize threats and potential feeding spots within their territories. Rapid flight. They are agile flyers, making quick, darting movements to catch insects in mid-air. Territorial marking. Males establish territories through song, which they maintain vigorously. Migration timing. Migration is often in waves, timed with seasonal changes to optimize food availability. Nest materials. They use grasses, leaves, and animal hair to construct their nests. Distinctive behavior. When feeding, they often hover briefly to inspect leaves for insects. Close relatives. Closely related to other North American warblers, such as the Nashville warbler. Chirpy call. Besides songs, they communicate through various chirps and calls. Wide distribution. Found from Alaska to the southern United States, adapting to different climates. Early breeders. They are one of the earliest breeding warblers, starting as soon as conditions allow. Favorite foods. They love caterpillars, a crucial food source for their young. Late migrants. They may start migration later than some warblers, staying north as long as food is available. Adaptable nesters, known for choosing creative nesting spots in response to environmental conditions. Breeding range, they breed across North America, particularly in the western US and Canada. Silent females, females rarely sing but may use soft calls to communicate. Human tolerance, they adapt well to human-altered landscapes, often visiting parks and gardens. Skilled foragers, they can pluck food off branches, hover to grab insects,